This is the 0844 Staines to Weybridge, as I'm out on a jolly doing my recreation during the second lockdown. 8:59 departing from Chertsey to Weybridge. The train I just got off. Going to wait here for 12 minutes and then get a train back to Egham. Views from the middle of level crossings is always good for the station views. Footbridges between the railway platforms. Okay, so here comes the 0910 to London Waterloo via Hounslow, and I'm going to catch this back to Egham. This is a 8-car train, and this is divided into two sets of 4, and this is the front 4 set, and apart from one other passenger, I am the only person on this section of the train. So I arrived at Egham, and I've now got to wait for the 9:49 back to Virginia Water. I've got about 22 minutes waiting here, and nothing of any interest whatsoever as far as I can see at the moment. So why am I walking along the length of Egham railway station showing you films of random stations? It is because it is part of my objective to visit all the railway stations, and as we're still allowed to travel for recreational and exercisable purposes, I am enjoying my recreation, and I hope you are too. Egham, the breakfast capital of Surrey. So the signal barriers have come down, so the 0949 to Weybridge should be along shortly, and here it comes. So let's just zoom in a bit. Bit shaky. That's my train departing. I've now got a half an hour wait here at Virginia Water. So of the 20 minutes I just spent at Egham, that's like almost an hour waiting for trains. Hey ho, at least it's not raining. So next stop, Addlestone. Virginia Water is a junction. You've got the line on the right hand side that's going to Weybridge, and the line on the left hand side which goes to Reading. So this is the 10:24 arriving from Weybridge. It will now wait here for about a good 8 minutes whilst my train comes in at 23 minutes past, and then on the other platform the train comes in. I was just arriving now, the train comes in from Reading, so might just poke its head out beyond this train in front of us. No, it doesn't look like it is. At least that's what happened when I came back anyway. So the fast train to Waterloo is now departing, although it's not very fast today because it's going via Hounslow or Barnes or somewhere. So this train will now wait till that one's cleared the signals. It's all action here at Virginia Water, and my battery's about to die. The 24 is now departing. The 23, which is my train, is running 2 minutes late. So should be here 52 seconds. There it comes. Okay, so arrived at Addlestone. I've now got an hour's walk to Shepperton station, and I have allowed myself 1 hour and 49 minutes to do this because there is a ferry involved, and I am actually 3 minutes late, so I've now got 3 minutes less in which to do this part of the walk. This is the River Way, and it joins up the Thames just down here. So this is Shepperton Lock and the weir over there. So just down the path, a few hundred feet, is the ferry, the Weybridge Shepperton ferry. Arriving at Shepperton Ferry Pier. (11:42) and arrived at Shepperton Station. Just missed the previous train by 1 minute, but I don't mind because I've scheduled to catch the 11 minutes past, so I'm just pleased I got here on time. This Pullman car forms part of the Ian Allen headquarters building and apparently is used for hospitality. And in fact, if I look here, the actual buffer appears to be in brickwork. Fascinating. Incidentally, I don't know if you've heard, they've closed all their shops now. So here comes the train that's going to form the 12:11 to Waterloo. We're going to catch this train to Upper Halliford, and then from Upper Halliford I'm going to walk to Sunbury and then on to Kempton Park, and I've allowed myself just over half an hour, and the service between these stations is half an hour, so it's hit and miss whether I'll be able to get to both those stations and get to Kempton Park in time to catch a train to Waterloo. So that's the train departing Upper Halliford, situated under a road bridge. One passenger got off, excluding me. Okay, so put my mask on. I arrived with 4 minutes to spare, so that's lucky. And the train is just arriving. It's shining into the sun. Bit of a pain. There's the exit for the race course. Well, actually it's the exit for the station. Anyway, train should be here soon. There it is. 10 coaches. Quite knackered, had to run a little bit, getting a bit old for that malarkey now.